Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to remove an extension in Google Chrome browser. Open Google Chrome browser on your computer. As you can see, we have a timer extension installed on our Google Chrome browser. We are not using this extension frequently. To remove this extension, click on the three-dot icon located at the top right corner of the page. Hover your mouse on More Tools. Click on Extensions. Here you can find all the extensions installed on our Google Chrome browser. Locate the extension you want to remove and click on the Remove button. That's it. Selected extension is now removed. This is how you can remove an extension in Google Chrome browser. Thank you for watching.